Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy ZFold7. In today's video, I will be reviewing this case from a company called SixBox. I got this case from Amazon. I think it was highly ranked. I think I put like the highly ranked cases, or as soon as I typed in Galaxy ZFold case, this one's always been popping up. But I wanted to actually use this case for a few days before I made this review, before I had my name out on there and saying that this case is a good case and maybe not even using it for a full day. So I actually been using this case for the last few days, and I'm gonna go over some things I like about it, some things I don't like about it, but we'll get into the video. You can pick this up from Amazon. Like I normally do, I'm gonna discuss the camera protection you get, the lip protection that you get, also how good is the quality on this case, do you get hinge protection, also the overall fit, is it bulky, just the normal things you look for in a case video. But here's the packaging from them. They have multiple colors on Amazon. I will have the links there so you can pick out whatever color you want. This is blue. It has a little instruction guides. It comes with some wipes and stuff because it does have a built-in screen protector. Bam. So it's tempered glass. Just wanted to show y'all the inside of the case. And look, it's not the easiest thing to get off. So here's the inside of the case. It has like this weird felt material, just soft. It's soft on the back. But using it for the last couple of days, I haven't had any major complaints about this case. I don't like the built-in screen protector. I'd rather just use mine, but for it being a built-in screen protector, it's been really good. And you get camera protection there. Not a lot, but you get some. Also, if you took off the screen protector, you have a lot of lip protection there. The one thing I'm going to say about this thing, the case fits really well. I mean, it doesn't come off. I've been opening and closing it, trying to see if it will move on me, and nothing like that either. The power button is easy to get to. Same thing with the vine rockers. Not hard to press. Everything lines up there. You have a lot of room. Same thing there. Now, does it have bulk? It's not really a bulky case. It really is not. I mean, it's not heavy case either. So, does it add some bulk? Yes. I'd say this on every video. Yes, these cases will add some bulk because this phone is so thin. But when you look at the overall weight and feel of this case, you're not really going to notice how much this case weighs because it weighs very minimalistic. Yeah, I mean, look at the size. It does add some bulk to it, but it's not like a heavy case. And the hinge protection is good. It protects the hinge. It actually has some grip. I like the grip on the back here. The only thing, too, I wish that they would put some grip here because the sides are a little slippery. I do wish the camera protection would be a little bit better, but you have some there. And then the other thing that is missing is MagSafe. No MagSafe. No MagSafe. So for me, again, that's not a big deal. I don't need MagSafe on my phone or my cases. I just don't use it that much. But I know a lot of people that might need it. You probably could buy some accessories that will make it MagSafe, just like you can do that with other cases. But this checks off a lot of boxes for you. But you can wireless charge. Before I go off to the lot of boxes part of the video. And like I said, I've been using it and I'm enjoying it. It's a solid case. And you can wireless charge without any problems there. Like I said, you just don't have MagSafe. But you probably could fix that with some accessories. But the only thing I said, give me some grip here, make the camera protection a little bit better, and MagSafe. But I think this case is like $32 on Amazon, so it's not really expensive when you look at the other. I mean, I just reviewed almost like $80 Taurus case, so this one is not bad. Look, I mean, I can open and close it. It's not moving. So for the price, it's a solid case. I like the colors on here too. Again, it checks off a lot of boxes. The fingerprint and the vine rockers are easy to get to. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. You have some camera protection. You have a lot of lip protection on there. It's not really a heavy duty, bulky case. Like I said, only complaints, MagSafe, better camera protection, and that's really it. And I don't like the glass screen protector built in, but hey, you might be a favorite that you don't have to buy all these built-in screen protectors. But overall, I am enjoying this case for the last 3 days. Again, if you want to pick this up and try something a little bit different, get away from like the mainstream case companies, you can definitely pick this up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy ZFold7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.